Hello and welcome to the Analog Way booth. I'm Alex, I'm the product manager here running all the media servers for Analog Way, and here at InfoComm we are proud to announce our brand new CorePlay media server, Tetra. It is a quad output media server with 4 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs on it that allows us to do anything up from large 8K like rasters all the way down to breaking these outputs down to 4 quad output splits on each one, allowing you to have 16 HD outputs from one single 2U box. CorePlay is all built around the idea of taking what has now become a very complex video world and taking those problems, bringing them back into where our experts are able to develop those problems and give you solutions that make sense to people who haven't had to take multiple weeks of training to understand these complex video workflows. If I load up a show here inside Tetra, what you can see here is our new feature Feed Manager, where we describe and relate relationships between the digital canvas internally in our platform and how that relates to the physical outputs the end user sees. Here we've got a full raster of over 8K in a completely custom format, not 16:9. It's all the bad things that you could possibly do in the video world. And what we've done here is we've mapped out our 3 main outputs here to present them like it's a large LED wall on a stage. Lower down here, we've got our control screen, and this is all built out like a front of house booth that you would have in an actual show, where the operator is able to control it from here. And then on this screen here, we have a multi-view look for them. Here they're able to see the live output that's going to their main walls, as well as able to see what they have on their preview feed and able to prepare the media that's coming next. CorePlay Tetra is all built around our rental house partners being able to bring a return on investment to the products they buy as quickly as possible. By reducing the need for highly skilled operators, we're able to reduce the costs in that way, whilst also offering a product that is considerably more price effective than our competitors. You're able to now get a CorePlay Tetra and MSRP of $32,000, and that gives you a 3-year warranty on the unit itself and a lifetime of software updates and features. We've got a multi-year roadmap that's going to bring lots of more features to the platform, including things like layering. Thank you for joining us. Again, my name is Alex. I'm the product manager here at Analog Way for the media servers. If you want to find more about CorePlay Tetra or CorePlay in general, come find us at analogway.com, and then on there you'll be able to find all of the CorePlay information. We've already got Tetra up on the website, so you can grab the data sheet and all of the other information that we've got there.